paper.
Golf India is now turning right downwind to the line of
left there to Delta and then straight ahead to North Apron for parking.
Thanks, left here, straight ahead to the North Apron, Golf. Go, go.
Roger, yeah, continue on Bravo.
Runway in 08, hard, touch and go. Kemble information, Golf Kilo Echo Echo Foxtrot inbound to you from the northeast, testing airport information.
Golf Kilo Echo Echo Foxtrot, Kemble Aviation, Runway. Runway 08, clear information. Touch and go, 05, okay. Touch and go, 08, contact Alpha. So if you can vacate left there on Bravo, taxi Delta Golf.
Delta Golf to T2, Golf. Golf 6 in the late downwind to land.
Golf 15, your report final, one ahead.
Kemble information, Golf Sierra, Romeo, Oscar Yankee, 7 miles. Golf 6 in the final, 08. Golf Echo Alpha, downwind, 08, hard, touch and go.
Golf Echo Alpha, Roger.
Pulled off, that's what I have to worry.
Golf Mike Whiskey 5 Delta 1, runway 08, report lined up.
Delta 1, line up to 08, Golf Mike Whiskey.
Golf Yankee, welcome to Kemble. You make a right and then right again and park in front of the cafe.
Right and right. Golf Lima India downwind for landing behind the traffic in front. Golf Echo Alpha, finals, touch and go, Golf Echo Alpha.
Golf Yankee, if you could just park yourself in front of Chip.
In front of India Papa, Golf Yankee.
Hopefully not got traffic on.
And Golf Lima Lima, sorry the taxi and requesting checks at the site for backtrack.
Shouldn't Golf Lima, India. If you could just come to a stop on the main runway.
Coming to a stop, stay on the runway, Golf Lima and they'll come off to the left hand side.
Golf Echo Alpha, 08 grass, lanes discretion, surface wind 08010 knots.
08 grass, landing Golf Echo Alpha.
Crosswind. Golf Alpha, just keep a look at, we've got another aircraft in the overhead descending shortly.
Roger, stream Golf Alpha.
Golf Lima, India, anywhere on the left there, and you can just park yourself so you got a better exit.
Copy that, thank you very much. Golf Lima India. Kemble information, Golf Uniform Zulu overhead with 1 flight ahead.
Golf Uniform Zulu, right, did you say you were making that?
Shooting Golf Alpha, crosswind.
Golf Alpha, traffic control to runway, report downwind.
Copy 53, roger, we're runway 08 right hand, Kemble to QFC 9 and 9 at 8 hectopascals, for entering the ATZ. That's off speed 53, roger, just course.
Standard when you say for 08 right hand.
Photograph, take off the discretion, passing to 803, take off your discretion, the surface in 09. Roger, report final. November 9 Victor Alpha, runway 08, take off at your discretion, the surface is 100 degrees 6 knots.
Taking off runway 09, November 9.
Copy 53, thanks, aircraft under discretion, the surface is 80 degrees 7 knots.
That might be the aircraft, okay, 5 minutes.
Touch go discretion, surface into 80 degrees 9 knots.
Touch and go, November 9 Victor Alpha.
Lima, continue taxi 8 over Alpha, thanks.
Continue taxi 8 final. 08 airport lined up, call you.
Got Bravo Whiskey November Bravo, Kemble information. Good afternoon, 08 right hand, QFC 998 hectopascals, report overhead.
X-ray Alpha Victor India radio check.
Victor Alpha Victor India, Kemble information, 375 points. And Golf Victor India, can we try that again with the student with relay? Roger, stand by up. Okay, Alpha, just confirm that's to Delta 1.
Taxi, hold, Delta 1, Golf, Echo Alpha.
Great, thanks.
Golf uniform, Zulu, final 4, touch and go.
Golf uniform Zulu, traffic climbing away to remain. Runway 08, touch and go your discretion. Reception 110 degrees 6 knots.
Touch and go, Golf uniform Zulu. Double information, Golf Echo Sierra Echo requesting IFR start.
Off again, Lima Sierra Echo Kemble information, and just confirm it's 2 on board to Cardiff.
It's up, Golf Sierra Echo.
Okay, Roger, start approved. Do your checks in your current position with runway 08 right hand, Kemble's QNH 1013, report ready for departure.
That's on current position. Start up through 08 right hand 171.
Student Golf.
Expedite now, cross runway 08 hard and grass back to Kemble.
Expedite cross, justice.
Also, Tokyo, taxi hold Delta 1.
Hold Delta 1, Golf India.
Golf Alpha, taxi hold Delta 1 in turn. Oscar Yankee, thank you. If you taxi to North 8 for your checks on runway 08 right hand with the Kemble QNH of 1013.
QNH 1013. Roger, Golf South, Oscar Yankee.
Runway 08, walk over and Golf coming.
Connect on reaching 08, take off your second, surface to 0 degrees 8 knots, second second.
Golf Uniform Sierra, crosswind, contact 1 ahead.
Uniform Sierra, Roger, you've got 1 just turning downwind to remain, further traffic got 2 ahead, 1 to land. Go with us now. Echo Sierra, 5 Golf 308 grass, take 0 knots, traffic departing the grass.
Land in visual traffic on the grass, Golf on Foxtrot. Golf Lima Lima in the left hand turn out to the north.
I'll let you know, we're just looking for his clearance. Uniform Sierra, welcome back. If able, vacate Bravo to parking.
Uniform Sierra. We're not going to make that. Can we come off at Alpha 3?
Uniform Sierra, Roger then. If you expedite, vacate left on Alpha, traffic short final.
Just
09 and 0 degrees, someone knows. Take off at Alpha, question, Golf Oscar. Golf India Papa, taxi Delta 1 in turn. Delta 1 in turn, good power. Golf India Sierra, Roger 08 right hand, Kemble QFEs 9 and 9 and 7 hectopascals. And traffic information will be a 737 departing shortly.
right, 997 Cessna, and we'll just continue and see how we get on.
Golf India final touch and go.
Golf India 08, touch and go with discretion, surfacing 09 at 0 degrees 8 knots.
Golf India.
3, runway 08, backtrack, report lined up.
Vector X, the Western request straight in for the grass.
Golf Echo Sierra, Roger, there will be jet traffic departing the hard. If you report a final for the 08 grass.
We'll go Golf Echo Sierra. Golf Uniform Zulu, we're just going to climb out to the south, avoiding the jet traffic.
Golf Uniform Zulu, squawk, contact security to QNH 1013. And Golf India, Kemble.
Golf South India, sir.
Did you copy that?
No, say again.
Just for information, there is a Boeing 737 backtracking the hard runway for departure.
Understood, Golf India. Golf Echo Sierra, final cloud to 08 grass.
Golf Echo Sierra 08 grass, land at your discretion, surfacing 100 degrees 11 knots.
Golf Echo Sierra. Information, Golf Lima Lima for rejoin.
Golf Bravo Uniform Lima Lima, Kemble information, we're runway 08 right hand. Kemble's QFE is 997 hectopascals, report overhead.
Golf India downwind.
India, Kemble information, runway 08 right hand. Kemble's QFE is 997 hectopascals, report overhead.
Golf India is going round at circuit height.
Golf India, just confirming you're going round to the dead side.
Hey firm, dead side, Golf Golf India. Golf India 8, Cotswold Airport.
Golf Uniform Zulu, we're 5 miles to the south and just repositioning for an overhead joint.
Uniform Zulu, Roger 08 right hand, QFC 9 and 9 7 hectopascals, report overhead.
08 right hand, QFE 9 and 7 hectopascals, we'll go in with visual to check Golf Uniform Zulu. Golf Lima Lima is entering the zone from the north, 2,000 feet overhead joint.
Lima Lima, Roger. 2 Delta Sierra traffic is a Bulldog joining from the north of the overhead. There's also a PA28 on the go around to the dead side. Runway 08, take off your... Runway 08 right, QFE 9 and 7 Golf Victor India. Aircraft, just keep a good lookout. You've got Victor India and Uniform Zulu both joining from the south.
Golf Lima Lima's descending dead side in the right hand turn for 08.
And Lima Lima, Roger, your visual with the jet.
Paper. Golf India is now turning right downwards for line approach.